Good morning. Today is Tuesday, May 2nd, 2012. This is an update and commentary on the commodities complex as of trade early this morning in the international markets. Very positive data from the US last night on PMI manufacturing held up base metals, as also coupled by Chinese PMI manufacturing data which came out yesterday morning held commodities complex higher, especially base metals. All base metals over the last couple of days have tested supports and come off the highs, and it looks overall positive as far as base metals are concerned. As of 8:30 a.m., gold is trading at $1,661. As we have indicated for the past few days, resistances are at $1,670 and $1,680. Supports are at $1,655 and $1,643. Trades range bound, but seems to be inching up gradually, especially with given weakness in the INR. In the MCX exchange, it looks mild positive with buy on supports, and strong supports is now seen at 29,000 to 28,900 on the MCX exchange. Silver is currently trading at $30.90. Strong support is seen at $30.50 and resistance at $31.3 and $31.50. Only a break above $31.50 would take it up to $32, and crucial support is now at $30.5 to $30. Next major weakness will come up only if it sustains below $30. In the MCX exchange, the spread between the contracts of the first month and second month are fairly wide of up to 2,000 rupees, and the markets are expecting a gradual reduction in the spreads between the first and second month by the time of the contract expiry later this week. Wait for fresh entry in bullions or visit our website at www.akshayaship.com for trading calls and updates on bullions. Copper trades positive. Buy on supports still seems to be the strategy. Strong support seems to be at 442 to 443 and resistance at 450 to 452. LME hits the resistance of $8,500 late last night and come off the highs as of this morning, trading marginally lower. MCX is expected to open at around 446 levels. Of course, we need to keep a watch on the INR open for the full commodities complex. Lead, zinc and aluminum all trade positive. Buy on support seem to be the strategy. Nickel, as we had indicated yesterday, look to initially test the supports of 935, hit a low of 933 and closed at 940. It trades sideways with a mild negative bias, could retest supports again at 935 to 930. Resistance of only about 953 onwards. No further calls at this point of time as far as nickel. Wait for fresh entry or visit our website at www.akshayaship.com. Natural gas, strong support seems to be at 117 and resistance seems to be at 126.5. This is the range for the day. Wait for fresh entry for natural gas. Crude oil, we had given a buy call yesterday and targets achieved at 55.90. It hit a high on the MCX exchange at 56.08 and closed at 55.98. Resistance now seems to be at 56.30 and supports at 55.50. International crude is now trading at 105.85 off the highs yesterday of 106.15. Crude oil inventory is expected to be up by around 2.5 million barrels compared to the previous week of 4 million barrels. Next move as far as crude is concerned is after the release of the inventory. Any further updates and calls can be read into at our website at www.akshayaship.com for crude. The dollar index is now trading below $79 and that is supportive of the overall commodities complex. Watch for next moves of the dollar index for further moves. Thank you.